Kublai Pi Baro Shakotup Khubor Jongi Karan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san mentaka singi kilong. Kan mau ka yeng dor bar thau an ka Meghalaya kimat pala klab no. Yo kurup tiar pen bhabriu ki BSF Meghalaya Front India pat Bangladesh. Sertap ki pulit bawan berat tari ki dekhot kasur ki na maulai hakmat sekretariat. Ban klab no u dekhot ki yeng dor bar thau an ka Meghalaya uba Syntar Klas sun. Teman tang ni apais ki Khubor ki bakham bania. Kayeng dor bar thau an ka Meghalaya menta kasngi kalakan mau ki laingut ki dekhot jongka badia ki arbonyongut ki wei ki nong mi khmat ki bala klat no hakini ki benai bala dep. Kador bar senrai bahan riusngi kala sedang menta kasngi da ka jing penruai etri. Hakani kador bar ka advisory committee bala kli do lampang uba met ba lengdo kala aila laisngi banya krenya ki baya dei jong ka sarkar bat laisngi naga benta ki wei pat ki dekhot ka yeng dor bar. Kayeng dor bar kala sedang raga jingkran jong ulampang ubala penbena ya ka kaipot jong ka business advisory committee ka baken thop ya ki kerteng jong ki tu ki nong mi khmat ki ban shim hakajaka jong ulampang. Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma ula shim hakajaka jong sembut Menteri Rangba Preston Tensong ula wanra hakmat jong ka yeng dor bar ya ka notification of the Meghalaya State Consumer Protection Salary Allowances and Condition of Services of President and Members of the State Commission and District Commission Rules 2021 Badru Yaka 13th Annual Report of the Meghalaya State Information Commission for the year 2021. Habakran Shapang kini kinomi khmat Menteri Rangba ukorat ke sangma ulaong.
As well as the country as a whole have lost a large number of leaders. We have almost 20 leaders from different parts of this great nation of ours whom we have lost. And from our state itself, there are 3 very tall leaders who we lost. In the last 6 months, from our state alone, we lost late Obil Indite, who was a former member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. P.W. Kongji, who also was a former member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Shri Misalin Suchiang, who was also a former minister of Meghalaya and an MLA, 4-time MLA, Nand Kumar Singh Chauhan, who was a member of parliament from Khandwa in Madhya Pradesh, Ram Swarup Sharma, who was a member of parliament from Himachal Pradesh, C.A. Korean, a former deputy speaker of the Kerala Legislative Assembly, Surendra Sirsat, the former speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly, Rao Sahib Antapurkar, who was a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, Bhumidhar Barman, the former Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Arun Kumar Walia, who was a former minister in Delhi, Majendra Narzari, a former MLA of Assam, Leho Ram Goro, former MLA of Assam Legislative Assembly, Indra Hridayesh, an MLA of Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly, Toshi Wungtung, a member of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly, Veerbhadra Singh, the former Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, G. Madegowda, the former MP and a Cabinet Minister.
Unongyalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma, u balaya shimbenta hakanika jinkan maus ngolem yakini kinong mi ikman ulaong.
I will conduct as a veteran, shrewd politician. We lost him. And though he was 78 by the time he left us, till then he has been active in his contribution for the overall progress and prosperity of the people around him. He has extensively contributed both as a member of the state legislature and also as a member of the Meghalaya Hills Autonomous District Council. And I would say that his loss is not only a loss to the people of his constituency which he represented and to the family and friends, but to all the people of the state. I condole his death, and through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I convey my deepest condolences to the members of the very family and pray that his departed soul rest in eternal peace. Let Dr. P.W. Khongji was again a very close friend as well as a colleague in this August House. We lost him. I think it was too early for him to leave us at the age of 62. We were together in Regional Institute of Medical Science, Imphal, and even while we were there, he was there since he was senior to me, senior to our batch. He was always available for consultation, discussion, as we had a very vibrant, strong student community there, and particularly the outstation student community. And we did take up many issues for the overall welfare of our student community. And he has been definitely a guide, an advisor, more like an elder brother guiding all of us. And after that, it was again a privilege to have him in this August House as one of our colleagues. I remember I was always tempted to visit Sora while he was the member of this August House. I had innumerable programs with him, organized by him in his constituency. I could see how committed he was. He understood the potentiality of the Sora area.
Kidukhat jong ka sur kino maulai menta ka singi kilayalet berat tari ha khmat ka khrdop jong ka main secretariat ha Shillong ka jingle jong kini kidukhat ka long ban pen ngau ya ka sarkar jilla badai ban suspend ya ki he pulit ki baladon kti ban shim ya ka jingim jong udukhat barim ka HNLC ha ka khatlai trik unai lar ar hajar ar khuai ha yeng sa jong u ha maulai kan ton masar ha bakran shakilat pathai khubor uwe ni kidukhat ka sur kino maulai ulaong
Jongga Shipotring September Arjar Way Naglen Jongga Sur Kinong Molai Ngelawan Kenang Hakni Ka Main Gate Secretariat Kini kini gayin Jong Pai Ba mah Onong Sutu Baklah Namar Baya kini gayin Latai Daka Kisah Jongi Pai Ba Iwan hang ni Banhan over Nani banwan IT no Ya kita kitari Ya keba Kasur Kinong Molai Kalau kolek lingba kanai sondarali ke bangla pelok nurutre. Hajik siang ilak bilanti bosia mun khot ingi. Namar bah sing ilak kerjai ba yakin ningi tari ingin sali ai hau. Henry maskon penting pi ngiwan kena mendagaski namar bangitep. Ketika atom session kasdang mendagaski kaspotre. Ngiwan ban remind ni pi. Spangki demands ya keba kum kasur kinong mulai Kelabu nado kasgi ia keba lasya dak jubor ka jingim jong weni kilo rong ba kasnong mulai jingi ba chires tapi thank you kidiman skuba pia yoi bakiladep kilong ban suspend no mardor ia kitu kitab ka officer kabamot nado u DGP SP jong traffic Shillong SP jong East Chanchahel ni demand ya kini namar bangi suhu kata judicial inquiry lada pikandang kandang long ke bakoi ke basai ke bakpriang hun ke bakpa lada 4 suspend ni kini de ha kaju kopor maskwa ban penkin mau pi kani ke jingwara jengi ni kitari hang ni kalong ban penkin mau Lani ban penbena syaka perthai syaka state Meghalaya jongi. Ba kita ki Meghalaya police jong kawi ke branch ma nganam ong yaki ba profit ki Meghalaya police hari jong tak mention no branch. Ki khen ba katari kadai ka atyar ka ba kham syar khai mani ki ta ki suloi ki ba ki ba. Kajing syar khat jubor jong ka jing ba chires har tu ka step khalai trek. Nang lo mo don apring ka pang stom. Kiong ba dei namar ba bachi usai takatari. Kita gidi blame kijing keno lane ngila panong gidi nonsense statement.
Kibor pahara kaput jongka BSF Meghalaya Frontier hinin kasngi kilayo ban kurup yaki tiar bat jingta pen bhabriu bakot shado sanphuai lak tengka naki kaput jongka India bat Bangladesh. Hadin ka jingyo jingtip ka kunhun BSF jongka 30 battalion kala penlong ya ka jing pen upshrip hakathan umsem dauki bat Naya Bazar ki bahab ha East Khasi Hills district. Kini kibor kaput kilayo ban kurup ya ki tiar bat jing ta pen bhabriu kum ki krim ki umpnya slekle ki basong dor hado arpusan lak tengka kat ba ki nong khayi ki dang persang ban pha sha Bangladesh. Hakawi par ka jingja ki bor BSF kilayo ban kurup ya ki tiar ki ba kentup ya ki sabon bat ki krim tak khmat basong dor hado arpon reu lak tengka. Ki bor BSF kilalet bani IT ya kini ki tiar sha ki bor custom. U Inderjit Singh Rana, Inspector General BSF Meghalaya Frontier, ulaya thu ba ki BSF ki treshitom ban khanglat ya kum kini ki kambean. Udukhat ka yeng dor bar thawan ka Meghalaya, uba Syntar Klas sun, uba mi khmat ya ka mau plang constituency, ula khlat no menta kasni. Uba sun ulalong u electrical engineer jang katanat PHE batre la bon snam hagaba pet bajingo e kamau plang greater water supply scheme. Uni urang ba khendiat snam shuwa bon shong that ulayo ban bad kum u chief engineer jang ka PHE department. Uba sun haden ba ula shong that ula rungno shaka kamsan hima sima bad ha usnam arjar khat pra ulaya khun ya ka jingjit nong mi khmat bad job na kamau plang constituency kum uker tong shimet. Uni urang ba ula long ru unong seng jong ka ken hon ya le kai football bala tip kum ka rangda jet football club. Uni urang ba ula long ru unong ai jingmut jong ka seng khilang ka bahab hapo ka seng khasi seng kemi.
La thiet ikini kali ban kam nakamanta banyada yakini ka jingpang coronavirus ta kuju por ti ngala lech chepo chief minister ringkat hak tu ba aki khendiat benai ringkat bat sanbor shulai ngakan mau nang ta iba lambon mangyang nakamta kawi ka kam ndi nam ta kani pada kuju ko por ngala kerpat chief minister ban spare kawi ka ambulan nam ta kanong spung PFC kumbai fitip kanong spung kadai ka snong ka ba dan sya kanong kindong kabala kamjingai na pochno kaba ki kali ke balai ke bawan nang tai ru duna bha ti baya ki briu ke badan che ketika than ban man smart pochno
Bada kitu ki khubor ngila poisha ka bakut tar hadu bangin da syambiang khublai shibun.